Hey y'all, and welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Sean. I know I have been missing for a while, but I'm back with some quick cleaning motivation for you. I know this video is super short, but I hope you still find it motivating enough to get up and get some things done around your home. Your girl just took her a little break. Sometimes in life we got to slow down, take us some time off, do some things we truly love and enjoy, do some things we've been neglecting. So I'm feeling good, feeling great, and I'm ready to get you guys motivated. I'm gonna do a quick unloading of the dishwasher, and then I have a few dishes I need to hand wash. Of course, it was trash day, so we try to clean out the fridge, and I always have a sink full of dishes when I do, because things tend to sit in there way longer than they need to. And of course, I'm gonna have my little helper Sydney here helping me put the dishes away. Take down your walls and let me yeah, brick by brick, now let me I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me If you're new here, my name is Sean. I'm a wife and a stay-at-home mom of two. I make cleaning motivational videos mainly here on this channel, and I cannot give you a day and time that I post right now because that will all be changing. But if you like me and my vibe enough, I hope that you'll subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you here. You can leave me a comment, let me know you're here so we can chat and get to know each other. And thank you to all my loyals who are here watching this video today, because like I said in the beginning, I have been gone for a while. So if you are still here, you are just as real as they come, and I truly do appreciate you.
I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go, 'cause every time I try you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back, you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay.
So since I've been gone for a couple of months now, I know a bunch of you have reached out to me on here, on YouTube, Instagram. You guys have messaged me to see if we are doing okay, me and the fam, and we are just fine. We've been good. We are healthy and happy. Everybody's good. We're still homeschooling Blake, and that's going well. It was just time for me to post one day, and I was just like, you know what, I don't feel like recording myself cleaning, so you know what, I cleaned without the camera, and it felt good. I felt normal. I do enjoy just being a regular stay-at-home mom, y'all. I've been a stay-at-home mom basically since I had my first child, and I do really enjoy my time at home with the fam. So sometimes I need to unplug from the world. I'm not about this social media life. I enjoy making these videos and interacting with you guys, but sometimes your girl need a break. Okay, and that's all it was. But during this break, it's been so good for me. I've just had so much peace, and I've had time to really focus on things that matter to me, like my health. Your girl been losing some weight over here, and you know, I started writing a book. That has been one of my lifelong dreams, and I'm so happy about that. So I'm doing things that I really love, and my kids are so happy that mommy is not busy all the time. So that's been going good. But I am trying to get to a point where I can figure out how to make everything work, doing everything I love without having to do one or the other. So when I figure that out, I will let you guys know. But as always, thank you so much for just sticking it out with me. It really does mean a lot to me, and I truly do love and appreciate y'all for just always being here for me.
need. Chasing highs to stay alive.
Alright, so I don't want to do too much more talking because it's a short video and your girl been interrupting the music and talking a little too much, but I'm going to go ahead and dry all of these dishes by a towel and get them put away so I can have clean countertops, and then I'm going to get them all clean as well.
Can I be around you for motivation just a little while now? A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation just a little while now? A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Life is hard the way it is, but with you it's easier. Follow me into the night, without you I'm falling deeper. Stay a bit longer, yeah, I just need you to, I just need you to. Stay a bit longer, I just need you to. Can I be around you for motivation just a little while now? A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation just a little while now? A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation.
I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. I know it was short and sweet, but I still hope you found it motivating enough to tackle at least one thing around your house today. Don't forget to leave this video a like if you do, subscribe if you're new. Make sure your notification bell is on and set to all so you'll be notified every single time I upload. Leave me a comment. You know I love talking to you, and I'll see you guys next time with a brand new video. Bye.
Play my part, boy, I had to hold you down. Hold it down.